50 days of demonetization and over 60 rules that the Modi Sarkar introduced, scrapped or altered, leaving us confused and insecure about how to access our own hard-earned money. On the 8th of November, Modi's stated aim was to scrap black money, corruption and fake currency.
This step will strengthen the hands of the common man in the fight against corruption, black money and fake currency.
But as lines and anger outside the banks grew, Modi made a virtue of the cash crunch, calling it a painful but necessary exercise to make India cashless or digital.
आपके मोबाइल में ही आपकी बैंक है, आपके मोबाइल फोन में ही आपका बटुआ है। अगर आपके पैसे बैंक में पड़े हैं, तो आप मोबाइल फोन से जो खर्च करना है कर सकते हैं, खरीदना है खरीद सकते हैं।
Corruption se cashless. The narrative has completely changed and no one is amused. The Prime Minister also invited all Indians to deposit all their cash into bank accounts. No limits, he said.
Persons holding old notes of 500 or 1000 rupees can deposit this note in their bank or post office without any limit.
Finance Minister Arun Jaitley even told people not to rush to the banks since they had time till the 30th of December to deposit cash.
मेरी केवल इतनी अपील है कि ये 30 दिसंबर तक डिपॉजिट एक्सचेंज ये सुविधा विड्रॉल की आपको उपलब्ध है और सब कोई पहले 2-4 दिन में ही आ जाए, इसकी कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है.
But a month later, a U-turn. The government put a limit on the amount and the number of deposits one could make. No second deposit over 5,000 rupees without being quizzed by bank officers. Public outrage forced the government to scrap that order.
भाइयों बहनों, मैंने सिर्फ देश से 50 दिन मांगे हैं, 50 दिन। 30 दिसंबर तक मुझे मौका दीजिए मेरे भाई। अगर 30 दिसंबर के बाद कोई मेरी कमी रह जाए, कोई मेरी गलती निकल जाए, आप जिस चौराहे में मुझे खड़ा करेंगे, मैं खड़ा होकर के देश जो सजा करेगा, वो सजा भुगतने के लिए तैयार है।
Modi's 50-day deadline of December 30th to settle the country's cash crunch is here. But the 500 rupee note remains scarce. Withdrawal limits are still very much in place. We still see out-of-cash notices outside banks. All ATMs are still not recalibrated. The lines may be shorter, but we're still a long way from normalcy.
मैं देश के सभी जनधन अकाउंट वाले गरीबों को कहना चाहता हूं, जिसने भी आपको पैसा दिया है, जिसका भी पैसा अपने बैंक में रखा है, वो उठाइए मत।
But on 24th November, the government cautioned Jan Dhan account holders, housewives and artisans that they will be prosecuted under the IT Act for allowing misuse of their bank accounts. Demonetization was supposed to be pro-poor, meant to punish the rich with undeclared wealth.
ये संपत्ति देश की है, ये संपत्ति देश के गरीब की है, और मेरी सरकार सिर्फ और सिर्फ देश में से गरीबों की मदद करना मेरा कर्तव्य मानती है और मैं उसको करके रहूंगा।
But it is the cash-dependent rural economy and the urban poor, and that's most of India who've been hit the hardest. Daily wage laborers who lost work, small shopkeepers and traders lost business, small farmers had no cash to even buy seeds. Even the informal lending sector dried up. The last 50 days have been painful to say the least. Here's hoping the next 50 days bring back some stability.